Okay, so change of plans. Instead of going to Goodwill first for 9 o'clock, I think I'm gonna go to my sister's house and go ahead and start painting on the cabinet for the salon. It's raining like crazy, so I don't know how we're gonna do that. We may paint inside instead of outside. After that, then I may start with my shopping stuff with Goodwill and Home Goods and stuff like that. I'm about to run inside of this Goodwill. This is not the one I was talking about. This is not my favorite one, but it's actually en route to where I'm headed. So I'm about to run in here and see if I can find some hidden treasures. I know they have a real nice furniture section, but the other stuff I just don't care for in this particular store. It's large, but it's mainly clothes. And right now I'm looking for like furniture and pictures and little, you know, knickknacks like that. So fingers crossed. Let's see if we find something. I've made it to my sister's house. This is the vanity that I was telling you about that I'll be storing my things in. I tried to get some clips of it before, but I didn't make it in time. They've already started sanding on it, and I'm so excited. I do have a picture. I'll try to insert it and see if I can get a good view of that. But I'm very excited. We're getting ready to paint it black. This is where I need about 6 knobs. I don't know if I'm gonna go with gold or like a glass crystal, but we'll see. That's why I need to go by Home Goods and see if I can do it. So that's her. She's so pretty. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I just realized I don't even have on earrings. Okay, it's 9:06. I'm on my way to Walmart. Yesterday, well, y'all saw the cabinets that my sister was painting yesterday. It's coming together so nice. I really love it. She convinced me to paint the bottom legs gold, which that's gonna be really pretty. I remember a couple years ago I was looking at something like that on Pinterest, and I always wanted to do something like that. So that's gonna be nice. So I'm on my way to Walmart to get the spray paint. I also need some knobs. For some reason, I can't find any knobs that I like. So I'm about to go to Walmart. I need painter's tape, knobs, spray paint. It was a fourth thing. Dang, I can't remember. Oh yeah, and I have a client. Actually, someone reached out to me last night, so I have an appointment with her at 11 o'clock. That's why I'm rushing, because I said I wasn't going to do any appointments until next week. I was just going to focus on getting the salon together. But she hit me up yesterday. It's her birthday, and her husband surprised her with a weekend getaway, and I just can't let her go out of town, you know, not put together. So I accepted that appointment. So I have 2 hours to run to Walmart, probably run to my sister's house and drop off the stuff, and then run back and get set up and prepared for her. I'm pretty much set up, but I think it's like 1 or 2 things I need to do before she comes. So yeah, let's start the day. I found knobs. Okay. This what we're looking like. Look at those gold feet, baby. Okay. All right, so let me show y'all something. I got these knobs. I got these knobs from Home Goods today. They were $14.99 for 6 of them. Hard working with one hand. Hold on. So these are the knobs. They didn't have any with a gold bottom. So what we're about to do is take these off and paint them gold. And they will go on the front. But so far so good. You can get another shot of the gold feet. Alrighty. Okay, I'm standing outside of the salon. This is what it looks like. My name will be right there on my outdoor plate. As you can see, we have everything in the center of the room. We're getting ready to paint, finally. What we've been waiting for. This is when you step in the room, which I'll give a tour later of the finished product. But let me show y'all. Okay, we're gonna step in the room, and right now, I think I'm gonna put the dryer and steamer right here. Mount a TV. It'll be the shampoo bowl. Back here on this back wall is where I'll be styling, and I'll have a little small seating area and a refrigerator right here. And this is my big sister. She's doing everything. She's doing everything. And I'm just here keeping her company. Okay, the paint reveal. All right, I like it. Initially, we were going with the teal and gray. But once we put it on the wall, I really wasn't feeling it. As a matter of fact, Trent, on here it looks more teal, but like here it looks more green. On camera it looks real pretty, but in person it's more of a green. And this is the color I settled on. So I'm gonna go with more of a charcoal gray, and then I'll decorate with the teal.